guys! So we're going to continue practicing some more of our division strategies. So far we have 3 different strategies. So what I'd like you to do is just kind of watch for these first as I review, and then we'll jump in and I'll have you do some with me. So our first strategy, I'm going to do this division sentence. So 15 divided by 3. That means I have 15 of something and I want to put them into 3 groups. So I'm going to use our first strategy first, and that's a model. And the model is when we use counters or we draw a picture with tally marks, something like that. So I'm going to have 3 groups, and then I'm going to equal share, remember that word, equal share, until I get to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how many are in each group? 5. My answer is 5. So that's our first way, make a model. All right, let's think about our second strategy. Our second strategy is going to be using a number line for repeated subtraction. Because remember, that's what division is. It is repeated subtraction. So if I use my number line method, the very first thing that I want to do is make a number line that goes to 15, my biggest number. So okay, there's my number line. I'm going to give it numbers. Oops. That's a good reason to give it numbers, is so that if you miss one or miscount, you're sure that you have it right. Then I need to figure out what is my answer. So to do that, I'm going to subtract by 3 and count how many bumps I make. So I start at 15. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I made it to 0 by subtracting 3. So now let's count. How many bumps did I make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My answer is still 5. All right, and then our third strategy is quite literally repeated subtraction. So, there we go. Repeated subtraction is I start with a subtraction fact. So 15 minus 3. Okay, 15 minus 3 is 12. Then I bring my 12 up. 12 minus 3 is 9. I'll bring my 9 up. 9 minus 3 is 6. Bring up my 6. 6, minus 3 is 3. Bring up my 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay, so I kept subtracting until I got to 0. To figure out the answer, I just count how many subtraction sentences do I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all 3 of those ways, no matter which way I did it, modeling, number line, repeated subtraction, my answer was always 5. Okay, now it's your turn. I'm going to give you a problem, and I'm going to tell you which way that I want you to solve it. You'll pause the video, solve it, and then hit play to check it with me. So here is our first fact. I would like you to solve 16 divided by 4 using a number line. So pause the video, make your number line, figure it out, and then hit play to check it with me. All right, welcome back. I hope you figured that out. So I asked you to use a number line to solve this one. So the very first thing that you should have done was draw a number line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Payroll is due
15, 16. Okay. Sorry, that was an announcement from Miss Connie. Then I like to number it because that allows you to double check it, make sure you didn't make a mistake.
Missy, can you come to the office? Thanks.
All right, so I made my number line to 16. How many am I going to subtract by? By 4. So I start here, and I did want to point this out. When you start subtracting, you don't count 1 on the number you start with. You don't count your 1 until you move 1. So I'm starting at 16. Subtract 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, see, I'm not going to count 12. I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I forgot to start at 0. See, these little details are important. All right, how many bumps did we make? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what's the answer to 16 divided by 4? 4. Good. All right, let's try another one. This time we're going to do 12 divided by 3, and I would like for you to use repeated subtraction. So you're going to count how many subtraction facts you have. Pause the video and come back once you have your answer. Okay, hopefully repeated subtraction wasn't too tough. Let's see if your answer looked like this. 12 minus 3 is 9. 9 minus 3, 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. How many subtraction sentences did we have? Answer is 4. Good. All right, here is your next one. All right, what about 20 divided by 5? And this time I'd like for you to make a model. That means that you can use counters or draw a picture with your pencil. Hit pause, come back when you have your answer. All right, welcome back. I hope that wasn't too tough. So I'm going to draw a picture for my model. How many groups do I need? 5. And then what am I going to equal share? How many am I going to divide among those 5 groups? 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How many are in each group? 4. So my answer to 20 divided by 5 is 4. All right. Hopefully this helps you with your review. You feel a little bit more comfortable. You're going to now go below, do a workbook page for a little more practice.